Here's what I think about Pittsburgh. There's no doubt in my mind that if the Raiders were at full strength, I think they'd beat Pittsburgh. I really do. I think the Raiders team is good enough to beat Pittsburgh on the road. But the fact that they're not on full strength, this is a wild card game for me. This is a game that I don't think nobody in the NFL thought they were going to beat the Ravens. They did. No one thinks they're going to beat Pittsburgh now because of the injuries. And it's an early game. It's a 10 a.m. Raider game on the road against an opponent that's having their home opener. I really think the only way the Raiders are going to win this game is a turnover,
picked off by Mullen,
4 field goals, a battle, and they got a swinging chance late in the game to win.
Set your mind. We're going to do whatever it takes to get this win. Yes, sir. Whatever it takes. Yes, sir. Let's go. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go. Hey, you ready to play now? Cut it loose, have some fun. Let's go.
A beautiful Sunday afternoon, sun-splashed Heinz Field.
Let's go, man! Let's go, man! Somebody off third! 1, 2, 3, boom! Get it, man.
Roethlisberger forced out, keeps it downfield, and it's intercepted. Picked off by Mullen. Into the rush, Carr hits the open man. Creates space, but gets tripped up from behind.
John Gruden and Raiders lead with a 9-7 lead at halftime.
Second half, finish every drive. Finish every drive. Hey, we got to end this. Touchdowns now. That's it. Match up. 1, 2, 3. House call. See it.
Carr has Drake alongside from the gun. Fires, grab, first down. Grab that was by you-know-who, Hunter Renfrow.
Connection made. Henry Ruggs. The catch and loop for Ruggs. First and goal for Las Vegas. Touchdown. Foster Moreau.
Keep swinging. Good job. You got one more quarter, bro. You got one more, big bro.
Third down and 10.
Carr takes a snap from the gun. Pump fake, gonna go deep down the middle. Got it, Ruggs!
Airing it out. Carr. It is caught. Henry Ruggs is gone. Touchdown Raiders. Sprinter speed. Just throw it up there if you're Derek Carr and let Ruggs go and get it. 61 yards.
Good job, bro. Great job. Well, that's me, kid.
The Raiders cash in. And they're getting it done through the air.
Now let's keep our mindset. If they score again, well, let's go score again. Okay? Don't lose your stinger, man. We got the lead, and let's keep it. We go home with the win. Let's go. Put them away, and let's go home. Let's go.
There weren't many people, folks, who thought the Raiders could come in here and win this football game. The short turnaround, 3 time zones, and here they are. They know here in Pittsburgh they're about to go to 1-1, a team that was full of heart coming in here today, and they are sending the Steeler fans to the exits.
Man, God bless. Great job, man. All the best to you guys. 2-0, baby. Let's go, let's go.
Gotta keep going, man. Stay consistent. You know, keep on grinding, man. We here.
It's a fist fight. Let's go. Let's go, Raiders.
Yeah, what's up? We got a dub. We 2-0.
Big time win, man. 2-0. About to go 3-0. Raiders. Just win, baby.
It was a dog fight. We'll see you next week at Vegas.